Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's quick little video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all my Walgreens clearance finds. Now, there are an absolute ton of summer items and skincare items on clearance right now at Walgreens. Some are at 70% off, some are at 50% off, but y'all keep in mind that these prices will continue to drop. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright guys, so that's it for my Walgreens clearance finds, but the deals don't end there. I did upload a video earlier today going over some super easy, free, cheap, and money-making deals that anybody can do this week at Walgreens. So if you missed that video, I'm going to have it linked in the pinned comment down below. Make sure that you go and check it out. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below. Before you go, and also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.